Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to show you the Daniel strategy and how to really use this Daniel strategy. This strategy is really easy. It's color based, color coordinated. So let's go ahead and start off with the candles. First thing we like to do is put our candles to hike and ash. Then we're going to select 5-second candles. And then we're going to enable the timer, enable auto scroll, and also enable grid snap. These are very important for this strategy. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to select 5 seconds because we will be taking trades at 5-second intervals. And then here you can put whatever dollar amount that you would like here. I'm going to go ahead and start off with AUD CAD, OTC, and look for a pair that might appear. So on this chart, we have a couple indicators. Now, these indicators are really, really simple. We have our green line. I like to call that my goal line. And we're actually setting up for a trade here. Now, this is our signal line. So we're looking to take trades like that when it crosses the red line. The red line I like to call our price line. So if candles are underneath that price line, you're going to be looking to sell. And if candles are above that red line, you're going to be looking to buy. This right here, when that green line crosses that red line, I like to say go, enter the trade. Now, there's a couple things that we must look at prior to taking a trade. So if this green line is crossing this red line down, we're looking to sell. We look at our candle and we make sure that we have a red candle. Then we come down here. You have your seller line and then you have your buyer's line. When the red line, aka the seller line, is on top, you're also looking to sell. If the green line was on top, you would be looking to buy. Then down here, we have extra candles as well. You must make sure that everything aligns. So if we have red bars, you're going to also look to sell. Now, if we would have entered this trade right here, when that crossed, we would have entered on that candle. We would have looked to see, make sure that this candle was red, the line was red on top, and then we had a red candle. Guys, we would have literally taken every single trade for 5 seconds. And you do this the same way as you buy. You enter the trade when that candle gets to 1 second, you continue to enter. This strategy is built with a caution. And what that means is that whenever you get a green candle here, you're going to pause trading. Or if you get a triangle, aka a fractal that appears, you're going to pause. Or if you get a green candle down here at the bottom, you're going to pause. Or if you see this green line getting ready to cross that red line, you're going to pause. Guys, if we would have entered this trade here, we would have won every single one of these trades. You trade until you get the pause, like that right there, to pause trading. That's a green candle. So you pause, green candle here, you pause, you stop trading, and then you wait. You can wait until you get another red candle that will break this candle down here to continue taking these trades. Now, as you guys see, there was a red candle there. I wouldn't have entered that trade because we have green here. I see that it did drop, but I want to enter the trade when I'm sure that we have confluence in the market and the market's going to continue like that. Red candle here, red candle. I would enter on one. I'm going to enter there. Let's see if we clear that trade. 3, 2, 1. Cleared that trade. $192 just like that. Now, let me give you guys the bonus feature to this. Now, there's a way where you can enter trades and catch more of the big wave instead of just catching it at the cross, because sometimes you'll get the wave before the cross. This right here was just a beautiful setup of entering that trade there and catching every single one of those trades. You guys just literally seen how I was able to enter this trade here, take a trade, and be done and in and out of the market. 1-0 so far with following the colors. Now you can see that the market is starting to go up. With that being said, I'm not going to take that trade because we have green candles. I'm not going to buy because overall we're underneath that red line. We're looking for sales. The red line is on top here, meaning we're looking for sales. Then down here at the bottom, we have green candles, which is telling me that the buyers are coming into the market. So we will not enter that trade because everything does not align. Now, let's go ahead and go to the advanced setting within this strategy. So now what I went ahead and did was add this line to my chart. I want you guys to look at this and realize that that white line is actually following real close to the candles. This line follows price. Now, this is advanced trading right here. So you would do everything the same. Initially, we were looking to enter the trade up on the cross right here. But what happens when you're in the trade and then you get green and you're ready to get out of the trade? Where that's where this line comes in, because now it gives you an additional entry to possibly continue taking that trade. So we know that price, aka the candles, are underneath that red line. So now you're looking to enter trades going with the trend, and you can also counter trend trade with this as well, but I don't recommend that. So that white line crossed that green line for a buy. You could have entered for buys here, but what we really want to do is to continue going with the trend. Now the white line crosses that green line, and there is your additional, your advanced entry on the Daniels strategy. And if you look down here, we have our red crossing our green. That's another entry as well, or it signifies that you can take that trade for a put or AKA a sell as well. Now, this line does not have to cross. If that red line was still on top from left to right, that's a signal to go ahead and take that trade because your sellers are still in control in the market. And then you want to validate your entry with making sure you have red candles down here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cycle through a couple of pairs real quick so I can show you guys exactly what I'm looking for. And if I don't find one right now, it's okay. So let's see here. So I'm not going to trade this because this is red. Uh-oh, we're switching. Boom. I'm going to take this trade. Let's see. Let's wait. It bounced back. So this is saying buy because we have a green candle. We're above that red line. This is saying sell, and this is green. These don't line up, so we're not going to take that trade. Let's see if we can find a wave. We have red on top, so we're looking to sell. Red is on top right here, but that green is crossing. So we're not going to trade because that's saying buy. And we have green candles down here, which is signifying buy as well. So what I'm really waiting on, uh-oh, it's flipping again. Let's see. Let's wait. Let's be patient. Let's see what we get. We're going to go to another pair. All right. We got signal crossing. We got green. We got green. Guys, I will look to take this. So I'm going to enter now. So that is how you use the Daniels strategy. You guys see me take a trade earlier and we cleared that trade. But that is exactly how you come in here and you dominate with the Daniel strategy. It's your boy, KOBK Salute. We out.